Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that can you see who shared your Snapchat story. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up the Snapchat application on your Android and iOS, and then tap on your profile at the top left here, and this will open up your Snapchat profile. So then you will scroll down here, and here you can see that we have these stories here. So under my story you can see we have this 0 and I option, so just tap on this one. Okay, and this will open up your story, and tap on 0 views at the bottom left. Now here what it will do is that it will basically tell you that who viewed your Snapchat story, who basically shared your Snapchat story. Okay, so all of the insights will appear here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.